Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock users on TikTok. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Start by launching TikTok and finding the profile of the person you want to block. You can do that via your following or follower list or by searching on the Discover page. Say for example, I want to block this fake user. I can open their profile page, then tap on the settings button from the top right of the screen. From here, you can just select block and then confirm your decision on the pop-up. This user is now effectively blocked from viewing your information on TikTok. You can view a list of the users you have blocked by going to your profile page and then tapping the settings button at the top right of the screen. From settings, tap on privacy. On this page, under interactions, scroll down and you will find block accounts. Tap on it. This page shows a list of your blocked accounts. Simply tap the unblock button to unblock them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.